How to write a report. There are many different types of reports: scientific lab reports, business reports, systems analysis reports, management case study reports, feasibility studies, client casework reports. All of these different reports have their own formats and conventions. A report is a systematic, well-organized document which defines and analyzes a subject or problem, and which may include the record of a sequence of events, interpretation of the significance of these events or facts, evaluation of the facts or results of research presented, discussion of the outcomes of a decision or course of action, conclusions and recommendations. Various courses require you to write reports, notably business and scientific or technical subjects. There are, however, different interpretations of what a report should look like, so it is important that you check with your course tutors and course documentation as to the report format and content expected. Always analyze your brief carefully, making sure that you fully understand the topic, question or case, that you know what the purpose of the report is, and who it is being written for. The clearer these things are in your mind, the easier the report will be to write and the more effective it will be. You first need to decide your basic framework. With your main topic or question as a central focus, jot down your initial thoughts and start to group these together. You will now be able to plan your research. Ask yourself what you need to find out, maybe in the form of questions that need to be answered, then approach your reading from this starting point. Unlike essays, reports are written in sections with headings and subheadings, which are usually numbered. These sections title page, acknowledgements, contents page, terms of reference, procedure, materials and methods, summary, introduction, main body or findings. Main body is the substance of your report. The structure will vary according to the nature of the material being presented, with headings and subheadings used to clearly indicate the different sections. Charts, diagrams and tables can be used to reinforce your arguments, although sometimes it may be better to include these as an appendix. Then there are part of results, conclusion, recommendations, references, bibliography, glossary. Always use clear and concise language, avoiding jargon and colloquial language. Make sure you develop each paragraph sufficiently. Most of your report should be impersonal, although it may be appropriate in your conclusion or recommendations to include more personal language. Some parts can be excluded by the opinion of author, but the aim, to introduce clearly and in full sense the topic of report, should be done anyway. And this is all about how to write a report. Now you just have to put these tips into practice. It's your turn.